So, summer solstice. I mean, everybody knows that it is the most powerful times when we have this energy that stretches us from the inside into our fields, where the sun is the highest in this plane on Earth. So, during this time period, the rays of the sun come through at the most frequent time. So we have more time throughout the day when the rays of the sun are entering. As they enter, we are receiving more of these fluorescent lights and these rays of lights that are coming through. There are 7 rays, and each ray, there's 7 rays that we go by. There's actually 12 rays. These rays, um, the 7 rays, and each ray has a representation of frequency and vibration. As we go on in our evolution, we get to experience these rays differently. But all of these rays are emanated from the sun. So our evolutionary process into our higher dimension is to embody the soul, to fully step into that vibration of the soul's energy. There's different ways that you can experience this through silence, through activities. For each individual is different. But the main part of it all is to really activate the soul energy within us. And when we do that, these rays that are coming in, they activate the beauty, the perception of beauty into life. And you activate the core of the soul. Within that core of the soul is the perception of beauty. I'm sorry, just getting all these little things here. Out of all the planets and all the different experiences, the sun is the most influenced. It is the energy that is seen and is also the energy that is unseen. It affects the world of duality and the world of peace and love. So I don't know why I was guided to do this meditation, but I can feel a lot of solar energy that are coming through. The souls come into this earth through the sun, and it is a portal. It's a dimension, and there are sun beings that live within that sun. And these beings are like directors that guide the souls. Many civilizations or many other dimensional beings are interested in the human race is because we have this powerful experience of emotion. The powerful experience of emotion. So they are very interested in our evolution because a lot of these beings do not have emotion. They are just mind. But if you're all mind and everybody thinks the same, then we're all so the same. We don't get to experience these different frequencies, this different experience of emotion, of expression, different rays. So the 7 rays that are coming through, this is the day that you can actually experience all 7 rays. And when we experience the 7 rays, we unlock certain key codes within our system as well as into our energy bodies. So there's a whole process that goes through it where you actually sit with the energy of the sun and the energy of different planets because they are living beings. So the sun connects us through 4 different suns into the central sun. One of the suns that we go through is the black sun, which the ancients refer to an empty sun, meaning that black sun is still has an effect on us because it goes through these 4 different suns in order to come into this earth and experience this vibration. So I'm not going to go on and talking about these different experiences of the sun, and we're going to just experience the vibrations ourselves and see what comes up.